and you're still watching Roots TV Nigeria. Right now we are at the residence of Alex Badeh, late Alex Badeh, former Chief of Air Staff, who was killed yesterday, Tuesday 18th December 2018, as he was returning from his farm in Kefi. Now we are at his home. As you can see, he has friends, family members, close associates who are here to mourn his death. You're looking at a register that his friends and family and associates have come to, pay their condolences, register, as they mourn. Now, this has been a very trying time for this family, and it's been a trying time for Nigeria in general, considering that this is a well-accomplished serviceman who is retired right now. He was former Chief of Defense Staff, former Chief of Air Staff, and a very prominent person in the Nigerian political circle. Now, there are lots of conspiracies and all of that, but right now we are at his residence as we speak to the mourners about what has happened and to try to understand what this is. We will keep following the story, especially as investigations go on. Stay here on Roots TV Nigeria.